If you think you can sell your home without getting it prepped to sell, think twice. Watch this video. It's going to really help. Hi folks, are you getting ready to sell your house? Well, I bet that you'd like to know, what do I do to get my house ready and in shape to sell it? Well, we've come up with 8 ways to help you. Hi, my name is Sharon Wild.
And I'm Brad Ress with The Good Life, South Palm Beach County.
Yeah, and we're so excited to share with you our 8 tips on how to get your home in shape to sell it quick and to get the best price.
And here's our list to get your home in tip-top shape for selling. Get a good real estate agent or 2.
That's right. Number 2, landscaping. First impressions are so important, and curb appeal really does matter. So make sure that your front yard looks good, have some nice plants and flowers, and a manicured lawn will make a huge difference.
Number 3, repaint or touch up areas.
That's very important. And number 4, remove the clutter. You got to pick up the kids' toys or your fur baby toys. Don't leave the towels and, clothes and food and bottles and things like that laying around. I've produced many walkthrough videos for real estate agents, and I can tell you I've seen so much stuff laying around, it's not good. It's crazy. And people don't like to see a house that's unkept and cluttered.
And along with that is staging. Sharon, that's something you do for people before we bring in buyers. You get the house ready and move things out of the way so people have an idea what it will look like when they put in their things. I have too much stuff all over the place. It's difficult for a buyer to see themselves living in your house.
Number 6 is smell. Now, this is a big thing for me because I can smell pet odors a mile away. As the mom of Bentley, my little chihuahua, pet odors are huge, and cigarette smell is, out of the, that's way out. This can really turn people off. When I sold my house in California, I had cinnamon and apple simmering on the stove. Oh, it smelled so good. And one time, I even baked cookies right before the people came for the showing, and I think that's what clinched it, Brad.
Number 7, fixes and repairs. We're not talking major renovations here. Stains on the ceiling, cracked tiles, carpet stains, doorknobs broken, windows, paint the front door. These are things that you can do without incurring major expense.
That's right, Brad. And 8, finally, do a really good cleaning. I mean, the outside is just as important as the inside. And you have to clean the mold and get the spiders out of the patio enclosure, spray wash the driveway, organize the garage so that they can see how their car and all their junk, their stuff is actually going to fit in there, right? Now, we hope this video was helpful. Let us know in the comments below what your ideas are to get your home in shape or to sell. Now, we hope that these tips helped you, so subscribe to our channel because we have more videos coming up that I think you won't want to miss. Some great topics. Okay, until next time.
Ciao.